Alright, so here we are again. We're all out. We've got about 674 drives today. We're at the bottom of Newman's track. So I've done this a while ago in an unexpected snowfall video. So we're about to air down here, head up Newman's, go to Mount Terrible, head across. The skies have started to clear up and we're looking forward to a good day out with the boys.
Hot, 24 hot.
24, yeah. How was that?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Going off here. So that was Adam in the BT50, and that was Ben in the 79. We got Nick in the 200. And now we got another Ben in his MUX. Coming down Newman's track. Bit of a scrapey boy.
Just a little bit.
So that was Ben. You can find him on Instagram. It's Snoopy the MUX. Coming down Newman. So this bit's quite rutted, which I knew this bit here, a bit of water soak comes down, but it's a good spot. And here comes Andy in his Triton. You can find him on Instagram as well, under Neptune 4x4. Another scrapey boy.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, just good day out. Day after the AFL Grand Final weekend. A few little scrapes there from a couple. The FJ just touched at the top, but not too bad. I think it was just the leaves on the back of the Triton there. Getting a little bit hung up, and we'll keep on moving. So we've just turned up here to this little rock face here. I do remember this coming up in the GU, but it's gonna be a lot different coming up in the FJ. Totally different car. I'll chuck Adam on the camera and film coming up, but yeah, it's not a bad little step up here. Should be pretty good. So we've got someone getting a bit fancy here. What's that?
I don't know.
Oh, I'm in your photo. Oh, I wrecked your photo. There we go. That's fancy, mate. That's better than my selfie stick.
Only adults can see, mate.
Come on, let's get a fancy one. Cheers. Done. Righto, so we're here up at Mount Terrible now. So had some bikes here, they've just left. Pretty foggy across the back looking towards Buller and Mount Sterling, and across to Mount Skeen we can see snow across the other side. So we'll stop here for a bit and then we'll continue on making our next hut will be Ryan's hut if we get as far down as there, and then we'll be looking at heading out towards Matlock Tower as well. But yeah, it's cleared up really good. A few puddles around on the tracks. Good first hit out with the new tyres as well on the FJ as well, so it's been really good. Everyone's having a ball. So we just pulled over just about 15 minutes from the hut on the side of Mount Terrible track. Thought this would be good a spot as any to have lunch. We've got the sausages are cooking, chicken cooking. I had schnitzels that I'd already cooked and nice salad rolls. The boys got the Weber going over here. Great spot, no wind, perfect.
Oh, so do I. They're fresh.
Alright, so we're just at this fallen tree here. It looks like it's come from the high side of the bank and the dozer's pushed it to the side. So I just snuck through there. The FJ is nice and small, which is one thing I'm really finding a big plus for this thing compared to the GU. But I've got a few boys with canopies on their 79s, a 200, and Steve, who is 79 Scooby on Instagram, who some of you will know, he's joined us now and he's towing a trailer. So might be a bit tight through here, but we'll see how it all goes. But Benny's just jumping in the 79 now and he'll just crawl through. Righto, so now we've got Nick in the 200. Adam in the BT50. That BT50's been all around the country, owned it since new, so I think it's about 10 years old now. It's an absolute weapon, does everything it needs to. There's Andy in the Triton. Well done, mate.
Yep.
Yum's Ben in the MUX. Nicely done. So it's been a while since I travelled with a fair convoy here. I thought I'd pulled up far enough for everyone to get past this obstacle. Just moving a couple of cars up, and Steve will weave through with his 79, but everyone got through. Andy was a bit close, but so far no one's touched. It's not a bad obstacle, just that it's a bit slippery out here. Obviously all the water's just catching the bottom of this hill here, but no, absolutely awesome day out. So they're all moving up. Steve will be on his way in a minute. So Steve's coming through nice and easy. Those of you who don't know, I used to do a lot of stuff with Camper Trailer magazine, so these spots here, get pretty used to them. Trailer track's good, but looking at that trailer behind Steve's, it's no wider than his car, so it fitted through like a glove. Alright, so here we are at Ryan's hut. So this hut's pretty run down now, but if you needed somewhere to stay for the night, you'd use it if you're caught in the conditions. Been here before, Ben?
No, I haven't been here before.
No. It's an old one, this one. Not sure, I'm guessing it's just an old logger's hut from the history of it. I'm not sure. I have to look it up.
It's not your standard hut, that's for sure.
No, definitely not. Looks alright. Used to come here a few times, there was always rubbish and junk left here, but it's pretty clean this time. Yeah.
It is fairly clean.
Righto, so we're just at the top at Matlock Tower now. Awesome drive there across Mount Terrible, joined Cornhill Road. A few good rocky sections as well there, so it really gave the FJ a bit of a test and a workout, but flexed up all no worries. Gave the rear locker a try to see how that was, and that was awesome as well. But might head down into Woodspoint now, just after 3 o'clock. Had plenty of stops, good lunch, and good to get out with a group of guys, so we're already planning our next trip. But yeah, I'm just stoked with how this car's handling. I have got it set up with the suspension and everything as well, and having a whole different variety of cars on this day trip as well. It's good to watch to see how each of those work and everyone's different setups. Alright, so I'm going to wrap up this trip here. We're down in Woodspoint. We're all about to air up down here by the creek. It's nearly 4 o'clock, so got a little bit of a drive home, not too bad. But thanks so much for watching. We've had an absolutely awesome day. Thanks to Ben, Nick, Adam, Andy and Steve for coming out for a drive today. Absolutely perfect weather. But yeah, we're going to air up. Look forward to planning our next trip away. But thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all next time. Cheers.